ka Deputy Commissioner ka Food Safety ka kong DBS Mukhim ka pha milut ya kinong tray bagi tray dukan ketup ke dukan RB ka ma kali food taba ka Arun Hotel bagi ban penkhoi bat shoot ya Lynti ka baju khot ka RB lane ha Khyndai lat hakane ki jinglai ka kong DBS Mukhim ha ka af Khyndai tarik unai tung ajab san adon lang do gi breu na ka Shillong Municipal Board kani ki jing pha ka DC ka Food Safety ban penkhoi ka te Lynti ka dai namal bagala jabo bat jaing bat Ieid ka ba siam jing wat banding men sem ru ha ba Lynti kani Lynti kalong ka ba ijri hadu kata bagi breu gila sali ban Ieid ban yang na kani jaka ka kong DBS Mukhim galai jingo tang ye ru ka te jaka hani khendiat sgi balai berkalap ye jing jabo Lynti Ieid bat sma ijri hadu kata hadin ba de penkhoi ye ka te Lynti kinong try yo kita gidukan tengkat komunis pelap ke kong DBS Mukhim kia pertalang baro hak te jaka da boong nga Iaphi Shillong
Fine ये किसी को fine भी लेंगे लेकिन किस बनू पर सिर्फ fine करें you fine ने हाँ वो अच्छा वो आपका भी ओके हाँ ठीक है so you looking compliant so I just call you for a meeting okay who are your boys here did you send any boys for cleaning today no so okay fine we will have a meeting okay first of all I would like to say thank you to each one of you who has taken part to this cleaning drive which we have been conducted just now in this army lane okay so thank you very very much on behalf of the Commissioner of Food Safety we are deeply grateful we are also deeply grateful to the Shillong Municipal Board Maskal is here and his team they have been helping us a lot in getting this work done. Thank you to the police department, to SP sir and also to OC sir and to Vaidya sir and his team. They are here to be with us for the small cleaning drive which we are having this morning. Also my gratitude goes to every one of you from RB store to Ma Kali to fast food to Arun Hotel and everybody who have taken part in this cleaning drive and also to friends and well-wishers. We need your help, we need your support and we need everybody to take part in making our Shillong a clean city and I would like that each one of us would bring back the beauty and the pride of our Shillong city. So let's give a shout out to Shillong. I love Shillong.
I love Shillong.
I love Shillong.
I love Shillong.
I love Shillong.
I love Shillong.
Thank you once again.